Hi, it's Gabriela. Do yoga, be happy. If you started practicing yoga at home and you don't have the props, the yoga mat, you don't need a yoga mat. Start just in the bare floor if you have tile or wood floor. If you have carpet, use a towel just to protect yourself from breathing the dust from the carpet. You don't use the towel in the ceramic tile or wooden floor just because you might slide and slip. That's number one. Number two, the towel can be useful to protect the knees. Whether or not you have a mat or not, the towel will help you when we come into these knees poses. Or you can, if you have a mat, you can use the mat. You double fold it. You see what I'm doing? I bring the mat from the front, I fold it and bring it into the 1, 2, 3 level of layer there. That's one size of doing this for the knees support. Let me do the same for another version of folding mat. This is tips if you just started practicing at home. So you're gonna fold the mat on the side, and that will be for the knee, that it will stay on the floor, and then I will lift the right foot. Maybe you can stay with the hands on floor, or you can stay with the hand forward. You do the same for the other side. Let me demonstrate for another type of exercise. I fold my mat halfway there. I place my right knee there, and maybe I send the left foot forward, and then I can do these exercises where my knee gets a little pressure, right? In all these poses that you start practicing and the floor is too hard on you. Another tip, if you don't have a block to sit, okay, blocks, let's talk blocks. You don't have blocks, get 2 shoe boxes, stuff them with anything that you have, all t-shirts, and make them really packed, and then you tape that. Maybe paper, very tight paper. Books, you can use books that they're the same size, and maybe remember the old travel books that it was like a whole country, the Fromers, and those chunk pieces of books, right? Maybe you can have 2 gallons of water that you can use for those poses that we need some of the support when we come into these poses of balancing. You can have gallons of water that might help you with that weight. I mean, those boxes that I said, shoe boxes with stuff, and tape them so you make them solid. The blocks are like $10 and $15 if anything with shipping, so it's really worth having them. You can sit on the block. A lot of the times it's better to release the tension of the knees, the tension of the hips. You can sit in this moment, in this side. You can sit in the double block, opening hips. You can sit there just to meditate, depending on the opening of your hips. This is maybe better relaxation. So you don't have blocks, but you want to sit in something more comfortable. What about sitting on a pillow? Get a pillow, get a cushion from the sofa, get the extra pillow from bed, fold it, triple fold it, whatever you want to do with that pillow. Sit on that, and I'm going to show you why. Because when you sit on a pillow, your spine, you'll send the knees a little bit more to the front, and your spine is going to be longer, and your hips are going to be more relaxed. You can find where is the right pose for that. I mean, I have all those 2 pillows in the back as well, but it's so great. And when I practice, I sit in this. And when I teach, I sit in this, and when I meditate, I do sit on a cushion. But you can sit here on a pillow, on a cushion. Last thing, ideas for you. You have an extra yoga mat because somebody at home practices yoga. Get the other mat and make a little roll, and you can sit on that mat. And that is so comfortable. You could sit on a towel, like a beach towel, a body towel size. You roll it into a little, roll like this. You sit on that. You have the little towels, the hand towel. You fold it into a 4 and 6 that is like this size, and you sit on that, and it's just supporting, uplifting the seat. This is one of the beautiful, magical pillows of yoga, bolsters. This is a thin one, and these are the best. You can use this to sit. This is a little bit more pricey, but if you want to buy one, why not? You sit on that across, and this one, some of the best places that you can use it is to lay down, and this is so good. And if my pregnant ladies have this at home, this is the best. Check this out. Not only pregnant, anybody can have this support. So you place one block into one direction, the other block into the other. I place that there, and I find my spot, I find the sweet balance, and I just lay there or lay here. If you can invest in one bolster, get it. You'll thank me. You'll appreciate it, I swear. So that's a quick tip about props. Use them and abuse them, and you're gonna feel great. Stop having the whole mindset that the that the props are making you weak, and the props are only for beginners, and you don't need them. Everybody needs them, and we practice so much better and stronger and solid and supported by the props. So use them. I hope you like this video.